Millionaires and billionaires. Yes, it's me again. I want to pay your taxes. Hey, you look at me, you think I'm so damn dumb? No, I love to pay taxes. I want to pay your taxes. I need a yacht. I have a house. I have a pool. That's not enough. I need a yacht. I need to go out on the ocean. Yes, I do. You all have the money. You can afford it. Buy me that yacht. Yes, I need a yacht for me and my brat, my spoiled brat, to go sailing on the Caribbean. Yes. Hey, you don't like to pay the taxes? Buy that yacht for me. Send me the bill. Guess what? I have to claim the money with the IRS, so I'll pay the taxes for you. You don't need to. I need that yacht. I feel it in my bones. Come on, millionaires and billionaires. I need that yacht. I need to go sailing. I need to live the big life. Hey, you don't want to pay the taxes? Let me be your charity. I'll pay the taxes for you. Come on. You know how it goes. Go big or go home. So, you buy me that yacht so I can go sailing on the ocean. Holidays, hey, Thanksgiving, Christmas, I just want to keep going. Yes, the more you have is the more you need. Hey, ostentatious living, guys. Millionaires and billionaires. Hey, you don't want to pay the taxes? I want to pay the taxes for you. I love to pay taxes.